This is a quick case study about how one of our clients did 140K revenue in 30 days, and this was January 2023. They have a coaching offer that is around $6,000. We did around 23 different deals, 140K revenue, 78K cash collected, and this is all from Twitter. So it's really just a three-step process. Step one is creating valuable and viral, keyword viral content. The lifeblood of Twitter is high quality content. You want to be producing as much valuable and viral content as possible so you can get as many eyeballs and impressions as possible on both your profile and your video sales letter or your offer or however you are marketing your coaching program. So viral threads, personal stories, auto DMs, giveaways, these are all part of the content strategy. The goal is to generate, again, as many profile visits as possible. Just here's a screenshot of example, 540,000 views. And, that attributes to hundreds of link clicks, hundreds of eyeballs on your profile, hundreds of followers, hundreds of DM opportunities, hundreds of leads. And that's just one tweet. So number two is convert visits to followers. An optimized profile has three things: who you are, what you've accomplished, and what you do now. And this is to build authority, to give people not only just a reason to follow you, but a reason to actually click on your link. And the link in your profile is going to be either a Calendly link or a VSL, all of the above, something for them to submit their interest so that you can reach out to them and get them on a call. Here's just a screenshot of some analytics. This client, in the 90 days that we've been working together, generated 9,000 followers, 8.5 million impressions, and in 1 month, 140K revenue, but over the 3 months, well over $250,000 in revenue. Number three is to convert followers to clicks. The only way to sell more stuff is to put it in front of more people. There is no shortcut, and more clicks equals more buyers. I can't stress this enough. You need to have as many impressions as possible. That's why we're shooting for 5 to 10 million impressions minimum. The followers and the clicks and all of that good stuff are all a byproduct of producing extremely viral and extremely valuable content on Twitter. So you want to plug your offer after every single tweet. You want to have a call to action in your profile, again, towards your video sales letter, or book a call, something like that. And you want to send your offer in the DMs, whether it's you or an appointment setter. The best way to get the most out of the viral content and all of the impressions is to be DMing a lot of these warm leads that are liking and replying and engaging with your content. So in this January 30-day test period, we did 29 threads and 2 giveaways, 2.4K link clicks, and again, 140K revenue and 78K cash collected, which came out to a 50-to-1 return on ad spend. So if you have a high ticket coaching program and you want help with your Twitter and you want to, double your revenue, reach out, book a call, and let's chat.